Are you stuck using templates? Would you like to gain the confidence to create your own designs from scratch? You can learn the basics with my new ebook, and it is called Your Photoshop Journey Starts Here. This ebook is really loaded. It says for beginners, but I would bet that an intermediate can use it as well. There's a lot to learn in this book. Let me just show you some of the pages. We'll go to the table of content. These are some of the things that you're going to learn. I'm just going to scroll fast, guys. This is everything that you're going to learn in this book. And it just goes on and on and on. Now, this is one thing that I like. You're not going to have to guess what to prepare for. This book is going to prepare you for each holiday, each awareness, things that's happening at school, at the workplace. You're not going to be wondering, what to make. You're also not going to be wondering what to say, because for football season, you're going to have slogans like Game Day Glory, Tackle the Competition, Touchdown. We're going to say, we the Devils. So it's Touchdown Devils. You're not going to have to wonder what season it is. Basketball is October to April. You're going to know when softball season is, soccer, track and field, and you're going to have slogans to put on a t-shirt. So, it's a lot to learn in here. Also, there is how to price things. A lot of people start off and they put their prices too low. Some of them put their prices too high, but you're going to learn how to price your products. You're going to learn if you're creating flyers, if you're creating what fonts to use. There's a lot that's packed in this book. No more guessing, guys. No more guessing. No more pretending like, no more buying templates when you can do this yourself. Okay?